invite them to accept the award, I'd like to play a brief video which showcases the beauty of the ranch and a little bit of the family's history.
Miles of lush wilderness abundant with indigenous wildlife, open prairies, canopies of centuries-old oaks draped in Spanish moss, vast pastures and prairies, all along the banks of the tranquil Withlacoochee River, which creates a natural border to the west. Drake Ranch is a journey back into old Florida, to its most natural pre-developed state. Spanning 5,000 acres along 6 miles of the Withlacoochee, this vast wilderness is an untouched jewel nestled in western central Florida, surrounded by state preserves. The ranch is a significant link in the Florida Wildlife Corridor, a statewide network of nearly 18 million acres of connected lands and waters supporting wildlife and people. A private natural spring, fish ponds, abundant wildlife, deer, turkeys, and bald eagles. Owned and protected by the Drake family for nearly 100 years, this rare natural sanctuary is enjoyed by family and friends who treasure the serenity of the great outdoors and are committed to its preservation. Expansive and biologically diverse flora and fauna make Drake Ranch a haven for outdoor enthusiasts,